How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to show you a jumping jack workout that you can do. It will help you to lose weight, lose calories, burn calories, I mean. So I'll show you guys what you can do. We will do a quick little workout. The key when doing jumping jacks is jumping jacks alone will not help you to lose weight. What you need to do to lose weight is you need to make sure you're doing more every single time that you do them. So you can do jumping jacks every single day if you want to, but when you do them, you should be progressively doing more. And on this channel, I can show you how to start off very low and then work your way to a very high amount of jumping jacks that will allow you to lose weight. So let's go right now. We'll do 20 reps, take a break, 20 reps, 20 reps. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Boom, 20 reps, just like that. Take a little break. Jumping jacks is okay, you guys. One thing to keep in mind is, I know from experience, because I do a lot of stepping and jumping actually every single day with my job, is that jumping of any sort is very intense on the body, and it can really wear down your central nervous system. So when you are doing jumping jacks, just keep in mind, you will get burnt out from doing it if you start off too high. 20 reps is a good repetition to start off, and then just slowly do more and more every single time. And again, I will make videos showing you guys how to progress. So this is 20, let's do another 20. So 1. Boom, just like that. So I'm gonna put in my notes that we did 20 for 2 sets. I'm gonna do that right now. 20 reps, 2 sets. Next time we'll do 25 reps, 2 sets, until we get up to about 40 reps, then we'll increase the number of sets. Simple way to progressively overload. You guys can follow along with me. We'll do a jumping jack video every 4 days or so, twice a week is good. And follow along, and you'll notice over time, the number of repetitions that you can do is going to skyrocket, like it's going to be insane. So end the video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999, thank you.